Helping animals. Most of the animals are useful to us. Depending upon the use, we classify the animal into three main categories. Animals, pet animals, domestic animals, wild animals. Some of these animals are kept at home, some in farms, and some of them live in jungle. Pet animals. Animals that are kept at home are known as pet animals or pets. Some pet animals like dog and cat help us. A dog guards our house and a cat chases mice away. Pets like parrot, rabbit, turtle, and goose are kept for pleasure. Pets are lovable and friendly. Domestic animals. Some animals are tamed and kept at farms. These animals are called domestic animals. Domestic animals help us in many ways. They are reared for commercial use. Cows, goats, hens, sheep, ducks, and horse are some of the domestic animals. Wild animals. Wild animals live in jungle. These animals do not help us. Some animals may be given special training to help us. Elephants are the one of these. Animal products. Domestic animals are of great use to us. They give us wide range of products. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Animals that give us milk are known as milch animals. We make curd, butter, and cheese from milk. Milk and milk products keep us fit and healthy. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Many people eat eggs. eggs help us to grow. Some people eat flesh of certain animals like fish, goat, and hens. Honeybee collects nectar from flowers. This nectar converts into honey in beehive where it is stored. Silkworm gives us silk. It is converted into threads. These silk threads are used to make silk. Sheep gives us wool. Wool is used to make woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. Some animals like elephants, horses, oxen, camels, mules, and donkey are used to carry load. The animals which carry load are known as beasts of burden. The skin of some animals like buffalo, sheep, camel, snake, and crocodile are used to make leather. We use leather to make shoes, suitcase, purses, and bags. Pet animals become a part of our family.